myself enough is enough. Like, I need to drop 25 pounds. Although today is Sunday and it's not a workout day, it's still a count calorie type of day. So I'm just showing you what I'm eating for today, and I'm going to log it in my Fitness Pal so you could take a look at that and see how I did. Adults, are we true coffee connoisseurs? Like, do we really like coffee, or are we just liking the sweetness of it? Is it like the adult chocolate milk, hot cocoa? Because if you're not drinking it black, what are you really doing? I decided to get some Powerhouse waffles, which are great for protein if you want some protein intake, and some carbs as well. But for the most part, it's 230 calories for two waffles. And I do have the blueberry. I'm going to put them in my little toaster oven. And while I'm putting that together, I am going to fry up some bacon. Now, I love my little gadget. I say this all the time. Y'all see this often. But I love my little gadget. However, I feel like the bacon was just not doing what it needed to do. Now, y'all, I always rave about this little thing, my little cooktop. Now, I don't often use the top part, just this bottom part. But it's taking too long. And are y'all gonna fry my damn bacon or bake it? Cause what? I'm putting this on the stove. I don't got time. I'm putting this bacon on the stove. I guess this will be good if you want to sit and wait while you get in the shower. Maybe if you got in the shower, you did that. Girl, we're going to put this right on the stove. Okay, that bacon cooked up in no time on the stove. One thing about my bacon, let me turn this off. It's done. I like to cut it in half because I feel like the whole slices end up becoming this little anyway. So if you cut them, you can get one, two, three pieces. Okay, instead of three pieces shrinking down to this one little piece, you know. So the one thing that you have to do, that you must do when counting out everything. So 2 tablespoons. Let's see if I can see this. 2 tablespoons is 10 calories. Okay. And let's count calories. All right, so I just seasoned my pork chops, and I am going to put these in the air fryer. We're gonna have some broccoli and a potato for dinner. So this pork chop has been in for about 15 minutes. I'll flip it over. Let it cook for another. I'll try 8 minutes first before I go in. 350. Try we come up with that. See what's going on with the broccoli. That is steaming. I like my broccoli soft, and it's done. All right, y'all. So here's the finishing product: some broccoli, 2 small potatoes cut up, about chop out of my air fryer. Ooh, as you can see, I actually messed up here, and just I'm not even happy about it. Like, seriously. 316 calories. I'm gonna tell you where I went wrong. So everything was fine. Oh, let me take that off. Everything was fine up until we got to the vegetable oil. Because I did grease the pork chops before I put them in the air fryer, I should have never did that. I actually had the non-stick spray that I could have used, which would have been 0 calories, and it would still taste fine. I'm upset about this. So now I'm gonna definitely try to do some type of workout. But yeah, today was not good. And I'm not even exercising today because it's Sunday. So this is definitely not a good look. I don't like that. Don't do it to yourself. Don't. Don't. It's all bad. Guys, so the night is winding down and I wanted a snack. So I purchased these just to see what this was all about. I want y'all to see these little things. First of all, the package size is this big. It's a little package. And I did open it because I was going to eat it. But then I said to myself, I am not wasting 100 calories on this. Wow. Girl, it's so little. Why am I wasting my calories on this? I'm not. I'm not doing it. I don't even want to eat that. So what I am going to do is make me a little situation here. I'm going to put some parchment paper down. Now, initially what I want to do is, what I wanted to do was basically, I wanted to stew these down like in the pot. I wanted to just melt them and then kind of drizzle the blueberry jam into the yogurt. And then once that got set in the freezer, I wanted to drizzle some dark chocolate. Oh, I didn't even know that it was almonds in this one. Over it. So we're going to do this now. 3/4 of a cup for 90 calories. The blueberries are 1 cup, 80 calories. The dark chocolate is 170 calories for 1/3 of the pack. So 1/3 of this whole thing is 170 calories, which I wouldn't even use that much to drizzle over it. I probably will cut that in half. Do I have a 3/4 of a cup? I have all of them. I don't know how you want it. Let's see, what's this one? Half cup. We're gonna go with a half cup. So let me just mix this up. I can see the specks of vanilla in it as well. We're gonna mix this up best we can. And I don't even want to put in this. Like, whatever it is, let me do to what I like. And this is bad because you should be measuring out things. This much, and I'm just gonna rinse them. Rinse it. I don't even think I want that many in there. To be honest, I don't. We're gonna let this freeze up. I'm gonna let this freeze. And then we're gonna drizzle the chocolate. I don't even need to wet this. Let's see what we get. All right, I feel like I'm dead wrong for these little tacos. However, this is like the beef steakums, and I use 2 and just the 2 tortilla, the sun-dried tomato, low carb tortillas that are only 25 calories each, and then each of the steakums was 130 calories each. So what's that? 260 plus the 50. Okay, and then some ketchup. So we're gonna say it's 2 tablespoons of the ketchup. But this is what you got to do when you are on your journey. You have to count calories. If you don't, it's all over the place, and you can really see how much you overeat when you count your calories. So this is the last thing I'm eating for the night, and it's over. Y'all, the sun is peeking through. I don't want to get up, but I have to. I have to push through. I gotta get to this gym. All right, guys. I'm up. Let's get it. I guess if we gotta go to the gym, let's be cute. Pop some tags. So I got these pants from Fashion Nova. They say $79.99. I doubt I paid that, girl. I might have paid $2.99 for these pants. Okay. Oh, I gotta get some more. I'm running now. I do need a little bit of syrup to put in there. The tablespoons of that protein shake, a little bit of this, and it is what it is. 2 tablespoons is 100 calories. I'm only gonna do like 1 tablespoon. Hey y'all, hey. So today is a nice sunny day. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful outside. I'm so happy that we're finally getting this good weather. I'm heading to the gym. So this is day 3. I started on Thursday. I started on Friday. I went to the gym Friday, Saturday. Sunday I didn't go. Monday I didn't go. Tuesday I didn't go. But Monday and Tuesday I did do a walk. So I walked like 1.5 miles on Monday. Tuesday I did like maybe 1 mile total. And now I'm back at the gym. I'm about to hit it. Goal is 300 calories burned per gym session, along with the calorie deficit. So definitely tracking my food and my fitness pal, and I'm gonna it because you need that tool. Like there's no way that you're going to lose weight without being in a calorie deficit, and understanding how much calories you're eating and the type of, the quantity. It really will shock you when you think that you're eating a small portion and you literally had 3 or 4 servings of an item. So it's a very good eye opener. Along with this gym, I feel good. I'm getting myself out of this funk. I'm 40 years old. I'm 40, guys. I'm 40. I'm 40. I'm 40. But I'm gonna embrace it because 40 is nothing but 20 a 20-year-old with extra money and extra time, you heard? So I'm not even tripping, but I'm out here. Alright, I'm gonna be out taking the treadmill, 34 minutes, 25 calories, goal is 300. What's So I had my shake after I hit the gym. Now I just have a salad with some chopped up red pepper. And as you can see right here, that's just vinegar. Vinegar and pepper. Makes your salad so refreshing and good. I don't need the oil. The salad is going to be amazing. And this is the first meal. All right, so I'm just washing up some of these dishes and about to prep this chicken to go into the freezer. I just kept like 3 or 4 pieces out for what I was going to eat the night and washed that and seasoned. I also learned my lesson with using oil. It's just too fattening. I mean, 100 calories for 1 tablespoon is insane. So I'm using the butter 0-calorie pan spray, and it does the job. It definitely does. I'm cutting these onions up to saute them in the pan before I add my green beans. You definitely need the onions and green beans. Oh my gosh, it makes it just taste so good.